Hey, welcome back to my channel Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about the tutorial explain the essence of Excel logical function and or provide the formal example that demonstrate their common and inventive uses. Okay, here is you see that the number of goal and the number of the name of the player. Okay, and now we explain the AND logical function and OR logical function. Okay, first we start by AND logical function. In Microsoft Excel provide the logical function to work with the logical values. Okay, the function are AND OR. You use this function when you want to carry out more than one comparison in your formula or test multiple conditions in a state of just one. And you also logical operator Excel logical function return either true or false when their argument are evaluated. Okay, and now we start by AND. Actually, AND return true if all of the arguments evaluate to true. The AND function is the most popular member of logic function family. It comes and handy when you have to test several conditions and make sure that all of are met. Technically, the AND function tests the condition you specify and return true. Okay, if all of the condition evaluate to true, otherwise it will false. Okay, in a word, AND function means all should be logical true. Okay, and here we start by and press equal and first of all here you see that check whether all arguments are true and return true if all arguments are true. It means that and must be all are true, otherwise it will false. Okay, and here we start first bracket and the logical one. Okay, and logical ones means number of goal. Okay, and I press here that goal must be more than 50. Okay, and second logical function here player name. Okay, and mention player name here. Okay, and equal invert comma and press name. Okay, close bracket. We explain that if someone goal are more than 50, this is first logical, and second logical, this name should be exact. Okay, and here we press true. Okay, here you see that the result is true because Excel condition are two logic must be exact, and here you see that the logic 51 more than 50 and player name are also exactly matched. That's why the result are true. And here you see that if the result more than 50, okay, and the name are exactly matched, that's why it's true. And now we talk about OR. Okay, OR return true if any argument evaluates to true. It means if only one argument will be matched or true it will be true. Okay, the XOR function is a basic logical function that is used to compare two values or a statement. The difference is that the OR function returns true if at least one. If the argument evaluates to true, and return false if all arguments are false. The OR function is available in all versions of Excel 2016 and 2020. Okay. Now we see how OR work. Okay, and here OR bracket equal and greater than 50. Okay, and next logic here equal invert comma RODRI. Okay, in this text here you see that two are true. Two are true means the number of goal are more than 50, and here you see that the logical function are if logical function are more than 50 and the name are exactly match. Okay, the name are exactly match and it will true, and we see and check now. Okay, here you see that it's true. Okay, but now if we press here 49, here you see that the OR function are true but AND are false. Okay, that's why first we talk about in AND function, if false any single it will false. On the other hand, true only single are true or false, it will show you true. Okay, that's the main fact, and it's called case sensitive, or otherwise and are not case sensitive. Okay, and if we drop down this, and here you see that true false. Okay, but in the terms of AND are false. This false only for numeric number are less. Okay, now we try to make it true. Here 51, and you see that here also false. But why? Here you see that it's more than 50, but it's also false because of the name are not exactly match. And if we match this name with number 2 Vinicius Junior, IUS Junior, Vinicius Junior, and press enter. Here you see that it's also true because of 2 are exactly match. Okay, and you can also write here 60. It's also true because of the logic are more than true. Okay, and here you see that it's also false because 2 logic are false. And now we check it here 52. Okay, here you see that it's false. But why? The name are not exactly matched. Okay, now we check it. KYLIANMBAPE. Okay, Kylian Mbappe. And okay, here you see that it's true. Okay, and if we see that or always true, if you two logic are also true, or show you true, or one logic are true, or show you true, but two logical function are false, or show you false, such as here you see that only 5. Okay, or show you false, and 50 true. And here you see that and show you false in the place name of are exactly match, but it show you false. Why? Only for number. If you increase this number, here you see that it's true. Okay, and you see that, and you see that on this place or show you true, but and show you false, because of only single logic are false, that's why and show you false. On the other hand, or show you true. Okay, hope that you understand very well. Actually, you have learned how to use the AND or function in Excel. This function are powerful tool for logical testing and can help you analyze data effectively. Feel free to experiment with different conditions based on your data. Okay, please subscribe my channel Hawk Academy for your Excel learning partner. Thank you.